What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my. Oh, hi!
Hi, how are
Oh,
you doing today?
I'm doing pretty well today, Sizzy. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
I love your dress.
Yes, I wear sari today.
Oh, so that's Sari. It looks amazing.
Yeah, here everyone wear saris after they got married.
Right, you mentioned that. I think the last class we had, so I had a little bit of a background about Sari. So anyhow, Sizzy, I can see your weather today is so good. Like the skies are so clear, sunny today.
Yes, it is. What is time there now?
Right now it's 2:20 in the afternoon.
Oh, it is 12 o'clock afternoon.
Oh, really? Okay, how hot is it today in India?
Yes, today is very hot. There is no rain today. Yesterday
Ooh.
it's rain. In some places in India, it is full of rain.
Really? Oh, okay, but not in your place. So which one would you
Yes,
like? Rainy day or like sunny day?
I like rainy day.
Oh my goodness, same here.
Oh,
Yeah, well today's really gloomy though. I love it because it's rainy season in my country right now, or in the country where I live right now, Sizzy. So I'm enjoying it really well. Although, if it's like raining like cats and dogs, I don't enjoy that.
you enjoyed only rain?
Yeah, I enjoy rain. Yeah, definitely. I mean, Susie, I lived in Florida, which is like sunny all the time too. And here in the Philippines, it's way more sunny. It's a tropical country, so I'm so done with the sunny season. I'd love to have rain too.
Oh, what is weather today? It is very hot there.
No, it's gloomy today. Let me take a look at the
Gloomy. What is mean?
gloomy means dark skies. You know when the sky is so dark, Sizzy, and when it's about to rain, that's what gloomy weather is.
Okay.
Yeah, it's 29 degrees Celsius today. That's still a little bit warm, but comfortable compared to 36,
Yeah.
right? Okay,
Okay. You are a
so,
teacher or what is your profession?
oh well, I'm actually a programmer, Sizzy. I graduated information technology
Okay.
programming, but since I found a job on Cambly. I enjoyed it a lot. I enjoy teaching English on Cambly. I love helping
Yes.
people who needs to learn English. So it's my full-time job right
Yeah.
now.
You are doing full time. How is the situation is going there in Philippines? Corona.
Oh, Sizzy. Okay, well, the Philippines is not doing really good. There are still COVID-19 cases that are a little bit increasing. I mean, so much better than before, though. However, in
My
my
baby is
city, oh, hi. Oh, hi. Oh, I think, what is she?
she doing balloon.
Balloon. What's
Balloon.
balloon? Oh,
Yes,
balloon?
balloon. Hello. Hi.
Oh, you mean
Hi. Sir.
balloon?
Hi. Hi.
Hi. Nice to meet you. What's your name? Oh, what's your name? Izzy? Sheena?
Yes,
Sizzy?
Sheena.
Oh, oh, Sheena. How old is she?
She is 3 years old now.
Oh,
She
so
got 3 in
cute.
month.
So, Sizzy. Oh, got you. Now you have a baby. I mean, how many kids do you have? I think you mentioned that before, but I just forgot about it.
I
How many
have
kids do
only
you
one
have?
baby now.
Oh, so Jashina. So how difficult is it to take care of a
Yes.
toddler during this pandemic,
Yes,
Susie?
it is very difficult. She doing every time making disturbing me, playing with toys.
Disturbing you? Okay.
Yes, you can observe now. I am talking with you. I'm practice English, but she is came outside and disturbing me. What she is doing, my mom.
Be like, what is my mom talking about? She's not speaking in Indian language. Oh, do you also teach her English, Susie?
Yes, I'm teaching her. She's singing Johnny Johnny, it's Papa.
Eating sugar? No, Papa. I know that
Yeah.
song. Oh, really? So there's actually an application on the phone, Susie, where you could exclusively let your daughter just watch kids channel. It's called YouTube Kids. So if you could download that, that would be great for your daughter.
Okay.
Yeah, so she could just click which video she wanted to watch. It's pretty educational, by the way.
Yes, I'm doing now.
Oh, you're doing it now? Oh, that's awesome. So, Susie.
Not in YouTube. I
Mhm.
just want to learn. I am telling to her
Oh,
like
I see.
I saw you are a singer. I thought
I'm not a singer, Susie. I love to sing, but I'm not a singer.
oh, can you sing anything
Oh
for me?
yeah, you a Christian song called "What a Beautiful Name." Do you know the? Hold on, I'll type it down. Beautiful name. Do you know this song? It's a it's sang by Hillsong, the
Okay.
Christian band. Do you know this?
No.
Do you know it?
Now I'm trying to
Oh, okay. So,
listen to improve.
oh yeah, sure.
Yeah,
I could
sure.
recommend you that.
Yeah.
Sure. You're a Christian, so definitely you could definitely listen to this song. So I'm gonna
Yeah.
sing the chorus, okay? Oh, this is so embarrassing. Okay, let me sing. What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a beautiful name it is. Nothing compares to this. What a beautiful name it is. The name of
Yeah,
Jesus.
yeah,
There you
you are
go.
singing very well. I like so much.
Susie, thank you so much. I love to sing. I'm not a good singer, but I love to sing. How about you, Susie? What do you like to do? Like,
Yeah, I am work my family and also I am learning songs. I am not a good singer, but I am singing slowly
oh,
with
really?
my kids.
Oh,
Yes.
do you know some English songs?
My husband, I am trying to singing, but my husband singing very well.
Oh, really?
Yes,
Nice.
he's singing English songs also.
Oh, pretty awesome. Do you know any English songs, Susie?
Not now.
Because if you know one, I'm going to let you sing that.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I
Well,
hope I have a dream to singing English songs and worship God with my children, youth
aw.
peoples.
Sure, Susie. Let me tell you this. Practice makes perfect. It may sound cliche, but you know what? Practice makes perfect.
Yes.
So, Susie, what are your other hobbies? to to be good and be practice singing, but what are your other hobbies? Especially that you have a 3-year-old right now. It's hard to balance, life with a 3-year-old and as well as your personal life and as well as your job. So how do you manage
Yes.
to still have a hobby and what are other hobbies?
Every time I am very busy.
Oh,
I'm planning schedules. I'm managing my baby and my husband. I'm preparing food and making everything for my family and doing a caring and church.
You're an
Yes. And also
all-around
I'm learning
mom,
English.
and you're learning. Wow, how do you manage? I feel like it's Izzy. I feel like you don't have a day off. Like from Mondays to Sundays, you're always working and working and hustling and hustling.
Yes, yes, yes. I
Aw,
am
you're great mom.
working continuously.
I mean, as long as we're productive in what we do,
Can
go ahead.
can I know you got married?
Yes, Izzy.
Yo,
Yeah, I
you
mentioned
have
you.
babies.
Yes, Izzy.
How many babies you have?
I only got
Kids.
one. Yeah, how many
Oh,
kids do
it's
I have? Yeah, she's 2. She's a toddler.
2 years.
2 years old, yeah.
Oh, it's so nice.
Oh, Susie. I mean, it's nice, but she's growing a lot every day. And
Oh,
definitely during this pandemic, it's not easy to take care of a 2-year-old kid.
yes. You are managing with your baby, or who have with you?
Well, I'm so thankful because I have my mother-in-law. She's living with us, so her husband
Okay.
already died, and we don't want her to live alone. So we asked her to live with us, and right now she's taking care of my baby. She's 72, 71 years old, by the way, Susie, but she is a
Oh,
strong woman.
it's oh, it's old, but she's strong.
Yeah, 71, 72. I mean, I don't know what will I be during my 71, 72, but like I'm telling you, my mother-in-law is a strong lady. And she disciplined my
Yes.
daughter very well as well. So during this time, Sizzy, that you're, having class on Cambly, who takes care of your
Yes.
little baby?
Wait, my husband,
Aw.
me and my husband, my baby. We are only 3 members in my home. It is my
Oh,
family. I
oh.
don't have in-law, and also my mother and my father is outside. They are living in very other states.
Oh, really? Oh, I see. So how far do you live from your parents?
It's around 3 hours journey.
Sorry, 3?
Hours.
Oh, 3 hours. Oh.
Hours.
How
Yes.
often do you visit your parents, Susie?
Yeah. My father have a job,
Okay. How about,
so they are not come here.
oh, but how about you? How often do you visit your parents?
How we are not go there.
Oh, you never?
Only thrice in year.
Oh, 3 times a year or thrice a year.
Yes.
I think, okay,
Yes.
not bad, not bad. I've never went back to Florida for a long time. So 3 times a year, I think not bad at all, at all. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, I am so great.
Oh,
I have such a beautiful family, and God lead us to how to live in here.
oh, most definitely. And your place is so beautiful. Like, I believe the last time we spoke, yeah, look at that. Is
Yes,
that a huge rock behind
yes.
you?
I am living in village. We have
Oh,
coconut trees.
yeah, I can see that. It's a lot.
Yes.
Yeah, your place looks so refreshing and like I want to retire in that.
Sure. You come here in India.
I'd love
It's
to.
very, very so many beautiful places to visit.
I think India is so big and I've only known like what do you call it, Mumbai and other places in India, but yeah, I
Yes.
haven't really explored or known about other places in India. I think India is a good place to visit.
Yes.
Exactly. Alrighty, so Susie, I think we only have a couple of seconds left. I would like to thank you so
Yes.
much for calling me again. I enjoy every minute talking with you.
I am too.
Have a great day, Sizzy,
Well,
and please take care. God bless you. I'll see you soon. Bye.
bye. God bless you
Thank you
too.
so much.